Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. Stellar is once again rejected by this resistance line that I was showing you in my last video, and that is in fact a support of the previous channel. And here we also have an inverse head and shoulder pattern formation as well, and this resistance is also working as a neckline for this head and shoulder pattern as well. And in today's video, we will take a look at the next expected move of Stellar. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this monthly time frame chart. And this is the chart that I'm showing you almost in my every video, because this is very important. And previous history shows that Stellar, whenever Stellar forms any down channel, falling wedge, like recently we had, not recently, but back here we broke out in April 2020 this resistance of a very big down channel that was started here on Feb 2018, and we broke out here and we had a very big rally that was more than 1400%. And right now, after this breakout, we had a rejection here, and after this rejection, you can see that we have found another resistance line and a support line as well, and this time it has formed a falling wedge pattern. And right now we are dropped at the support. Okay, recently when we had this rejection, you can see we reached the resistance of this falling wedge. At that time, you can see the stochastic on the monthly time frame chart had already entered the oversold zone. But when we entered the oversold zone, you can see above that we were already testing the support. Therefore, the price line again moved up and tried to break out the resistance, but strongly rejected and again dropped down at the support. This time you can see it is still in the oversold zone, therefore it should move up from here. And we are also having a very strong support of 12 cents as well. And the price line is not even breaking down this 12-cent support. You can see it tested the support here and still having a nice accumulation above this support. And we have a short-term resistance line here that is at 14 cents. And you can see price line is again and again rejected by this 14 cents resistance. And previously here on 9th of May 2022, it was working as a support. Now let's move back to this monthly time frame, and on this chart we can also observe that the falling wedge pattern is quite squeezed now, and therefore it can at any time break out the resistance or break down the support. At the same time, if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, then Bitcoin is also testing, this is by the way weekly Bitcoin chart, and it is testing a very significant support, a key support of $28,600. We tested the support here and we had nice bounce. Again, we tested the support here, we had another bounce, and this time we are again dropped at this support. We had a short bounce so far. Let me show you on the 4-hour time frame. Then we can see that we had a short bounce after testing this support, but still moving above this support. And once Bitcoin will start this move from here, and then Stellar can also start a bigger move to break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. This time the resistance of the falling wedge will be approximately here at 17 cents, because you can see previously we were looking at the resistance here approximately at 20 cents, but you can see that new week has been started. Therefore, if the candlestick will be moved up from here, then this time it can hit this resistance between 16 to 17 cents. And the target for this bigger falling wedge will be here approximately at 75 cents. That is the top of this wedge. However, it is also possible that it will start another move like it started previously, and that can be hundreds of percent or maybe thousands of percent. Now let's take a look at this small down channel. Then we can see that we have recently dropped and broken down the support of this down channel, and still you can see that this previous resistance support of the channel, this line, has become a very strong resistance for the price line. Let me show you this resistance on the smaller time frame. Then you can see we tested this resistance here that was previously working as a support in here. Recently we are again rejected by this resistance here, And at the same time, Stellar has also formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern. And for example, if Stellar will break out this resistance of inverse head and shoulder pattern, this neckline, that is also the support of the previous channel as well, then after the breakout, you can see it is showing us a projection beyond the resistance of this channel, even beyond the resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well. Let me place it here. Then you can see, because this time the candlestick will be move up from here. And for example, if it reaches here at 18 cents, then you can see it is showing us the projection even beyond the resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. Therefore, next few hours are again very important, and unless this support of 12 cents is not broken down and Bitcoin does not break down this support of $28,600, we can expect that soon Stellar can still break out this resistance of the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, re-enter the channel. That will be the first step towards a bigger move, and then Stellar needs to break out this resistance of the channel as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.